Okay, so here I'm going to just tell you a little bit about how the tutorial in general is going to flow. There are going to be certain milestones that I'm going to aim for in this tutorial. The first milestone is going to be about setting up an Angular library using the Angular CLI. Then I will jump to talking about how to include external packages in your Angular UI library. I will show you after that how to split each one of your components into its own separate bundles using the Angular CLI and the included ng packager toolkit that comes with the CLI. And lastly, I will show you how to leverage the Webpack bundle analyzer tool so that you can analyze the consuming apps build bundle, and just to show you, hey, this is the work. This is what it looks like when you just include the howdy name component, and this is what it looks like when you include the howdy time component. And just to show you that one of them doesn't include moment.js and the other one does. So, all right.